Hi, I'm Jan.
And I'm Vian.
We are going to show you the newest multi-purpose vehicle that we have just launched, the all-new Toyota Avanza.
Stay tuned and find out why this vehicle is fit for you and your family.
Alina!
The all-new Avanza gets even better value for money features and striking design upgrades for its 2022 reinvention.
This vehicle is now lighter and bigger. It has better fuel efficiency and improved driving experience is guaranteed with every trip with the new front-wheel drive and CVT transmission.
Check out this interior space. There's so much room for activities. What do you think we could do with so much space?
It also comes with additional convenience with these features.
At Toyota, your safety is the utmost priority, especially for a family mover such as the all-new Avanza.
The all-new Avanza is available in greenish gunmetal mica metallic, silver, black, dark red, and white. Prices starts at 813,000 pesos only. For more information and to view actual units,
Come and visit us at our main showroom at Toyota Mobolo, 53 Pope John Paul II Avenue, just across Carmelites Church.
you can also view units here at the Toyota Mobolo Lifestyle Center, located at the SM City ground floor. The all-new Avanza, versatile, durable, and reliable.
Make new memories with your family and own an Avanza today. Get one from Cebu's only premium dealership, Toyota Mobolo.